Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to draw a straight line in photopea. Let's begin. I apply three steps. First of all, step 1, select the shape tool, rectangle or line tool. Then use fill color. Do not use stroke color. Select your color. Then click anywhere. Hold click. Increase your size. OK. And step 2, again create a new layer, select right click, select the brush tool, right click, use hardness or without hardness. First I will use without hardness, size, pointer size, shortcut key, bracket, then click anywhere, hold shift, click anywhere, hold shift, OK. And secondly, without hardness, hold, click anywhere, hold shift, OK. And step 3, select pen tool, do not use fill color, only stroke color, then click anywhere, apply the same process. Increase size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.